Give me a few minutes and I will walk you through a clean, rules-based strategy you can actually trade. We will stack 3 simple signals, so entries are clear and fast. One indicator will print precise buy and sell triggers. One will show short-term trend direction. One will confirm internal strength, so we avoid fighting momentum. I will demonstrate on GBPJPY, 15-minute, but these rules work on any market and any time frame. We will keep a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward, so results are easy to compare. I will show 2 long examples and 1 short example, so you can copy the exact flow without guessing. Let us add the tools in TradingView and put them to work. Open the Indicators window and add UT-Bot alerts. Add Donchian Trend Ribbon by Lonesome. And the last one to add is Buy-Sell Wait by Hoka. With all 3 on the chart, we will set the inputs so each does one clear job and nothing else. Once the settings are set, I will summarize a short checklist before we move to the examples. Indicators, Settings, UT-Bot, Alerts. Open Settings, Inputs, set Key Value to 3, set ATR value to 5. Go to Style and turn off bar colors so the candles stay readable. Confirm. This is our entry trigger. When UT-Bot prints buy, we can buy. When it prints sell, we can sell, but only when the other filters agree. Donchian Trend Ribbon by Lonesome. Leave the default settings. This is our short-term trend filter. When the ribbon is green, we treat conditions as short-term bullish and we look for longs only. When the ribbon is red, we treat conditions as short-term bearish and we look for shorts only. Buy, sell, wait. Open Settings and open Style tab. Uncheck everything except Trend CI so the display is clean. Inputs. Set factor to 4. Confirm. Reading rule is that when the trend CI is green, internal pressure favors buyers. When it is red, internal pressure favors sellers. Checklist for long setup. The Donchian Trend Ribbon flips from red to green and stays green. The buy-sell wait trend CI turns green and stays green. UT-Bot alerts prints a buy, while both the ribbon and the trend CI are still green. All 3 must be true on a closed candle. We act on the next candle open. Stop goes below the nearest meaningful swing low. Target is 2R. Checklist for short setup. The Donchian Trend Ribbon flips from green to red and stays red. The buy-sell wait trend CI turns red and stays red. UT-Bot alerts prints a sell, while both the ribbon and the trend CI are still red. All 3 must be true on a closed candle. We act on the next candle open. Stop goes above the nearest meaningful swing high. Target is 2R. If at any point the color agreement breaks before UT-Bot prints, the setup is invalid, and we wait for the next alignment. Long example. Think trend shift with fresh momentum. The ribbon had been red, then turns green, and holds that color for a few candles. That tells us the short-term trend has shifted to bullish. The buy-sell wait trend CI also switches to green, showing internal pressure is with buyers. We now wait for UT-Bot to print the first buy after this alignment. We do not click mid-bar. We allow the candle to close. At the next candle open, we enter long. The stop goes below the most recent swing low, not under a tiny micro wick, but under a clear pivot. The take profit is set at 2R. Often you will see 1 or 2 candles of hesitation, then a push through, as both the ribbon and trend CI remain green. The position reaches target. Tip. If UT-Bot prints buy, but the trend CI has not yet turned green, stand down. Take the next buy that appears while both the ribbon and trend CI are green at the same time. Short example. Think lower high into a trend shift. The ribbon had been green, then turns red and holds red. The trend CI turns red as internal pressure flips to sellers. We wait for the first UT bot sell while both remain red. We let the candle close and enter short on the next open. The stop goes above the most recent swing high. The target is 2R. Two common outcomes follow: a steady slide to target with the ribbon and trend CI staying red, or a snapback that tags the stop. Both are part of the system profile, which is why we keep risk per trade fixed and targets consistent. Tip: if the sell prints, but the swing high is extremely close, skip the trade and wait for the next aligned sell that gives you a logical stop distance. A cramped stop inside noise is easy to hit. Final recap. Donchian Trend Ribbon sets short-term direction. Trend CI confirms internal pressure. UT bot alerts provides the first actionable entry. For longs, require ribbon green, trend CI green, and the first UT bot buy while both are still green. Enter at the next candle open, stop below the nearest swing low, target 2R. For shorts, require ribbon red, trend CI red, and the first UT bot sell while both are still red. Enter at the next candle open, stop above the nearest swing high, target 2R. If any piece is missing, do nothing. Trade the plan, not the impulse, and let consistency do the heavy lifting over your next series of trades.